Okay, everybody, we're doing the raffle for the Sexton Firebird. And let's get it started. At 7:39 a.m. Let's take a look at the list. 23 spots. That's the list right there. And there is your PayPal proof. Might even have... No, that's it right there. And then web is the last one. Okay. Let's go to random. Refresh. Oh, we got the green lock. See that? Green lock, green writing. Refresh. And one more refresh. And we have 23 numbers. Good luck, everybody. 20. Number 20 is the winner, taking home the bacon. Okay. We got a winner. Matt Armand is number 20. He's taking home the bacon. All right. Thank you, everybody.